Mastering the moves, the Jitterbug explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome to our channel. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic that combines language learning with cultural exploration. We're going to talk about the phrase, dance the jitterbug. This expression is not just about dancing. It's a gateway to understanding a piece of American cultural history. So, whether you're an English language learner or just curious about different expressions, you're in the right place. Let's get started. The jitterbug is a lively dance that became popular in the United States in the early 20th century, particularly during the 1930s and 1940s. It is associated with swing music and is characterized by its bouncy, energetic moves. The name, jitterbug, itself captures the spirited and jittery nature of the dance, as dancers appear to be bugging out with their fast, jerky movements. This dance style is more than just a set of movements. It's a reflection of a vibrant era in American history known for its music, fashion, and social changes. The jitterbug is often seen in movies, heard about in songs, and talked about in stories from that time. The jitterbug holds a special place in American culture. It emerged during a time of significant social and economic change, offering an outlet for expression and freedom. The dance was popular among the youth, who frequented dance halls and nightclubs to enjoy the fast-paced music and the liberating experience of jitterbugging. Moreover, the jitterbug played a role in breaking down racial barriers. It was a dance that crossed racial lines, with its roots in African American communities and its popularity among people of all backgrounds. This aspect of the jitterbug's history highlights its importance not just as a dance but as a social phenomenon that contributed to the cultural mixing and acceptance of different communities. Dancing the jitterbug requires energy, rhythm, and a bit of bravery to let loose on the dance floor. It's typically danced with a partner, involving various lifts, spins, and fast footwork. While it might seem intimidating at first, learning the jitterbug can be incredibly rewarding and fun. For English language learners, engaging with the jitterbug can also be an opportunity to immerse in English-speaking culture and history. It's a chance to connect with native speakers, learn new expressions related to dance, and enhance your understanding of English in a dynamic and enjoyable way. We hope this exploration of the phrase, dance the jitterbug, has been enlightening and enjoyable. The jitterbug is more than just a dance. It's a vibrant piece of history, packed with cultural significance and stories. As you continue your journey learning English, remember that language is not just about words and grammar. It's also about the cultures and histories that shape it. Thank you for joining us today. Keep dancing, keep learning, and see you in our next video.